Video mode. Alright, we're here at Millbrook Valley Trails. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Andre, and today is another bike demo day with Marin and Norco. So right now, Norco has Norco has these new XT wireless and see the colors, pretty colors. So if you are here today, this is the weekend of the Ghana Enduro, you will get the opportunity to ride a demo bike. Here's the Marin selection. Marin's got.
Want to go take a run down backstage pass with that?
The pink bike?
I don't mind.
John's gonna be on the pink bike.
I'm not sure.
I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so we will hear what Don and John have to say when they get back, okay? You did not like that. With the remote? There he goes. He is testing out the new Revolver with the wireless XT Shimano shifting. We've got it's a 360 camera on the back. It'll show us exactly how smoothly this shifts. And he's gone. He's gone now. We'll see. That's how you get a good view. John and Don went that way to ride backstage pass on some big Marin long travel bikes. See, there's one's bike over there. We'll see what they have to say when they get back. Oh, there he goes again. Yay! Yeah, we have to Photoshop a helmet on him. It changes.
Cool.
Very cool.
It's very interesting. It's very interesting. Like the suspension is so different than my like remote.
It's not as much travel.
It's like it's like a hardtail. Feels like.
No, not that much.
Oh,
It's long travel.
Yeah,
But it's efficient.
It's a huge difference.
Yeah.
It's very it's like
These are Eddie's
it's more
opinions.
precise, I would say.
Yeah.
Right? It's like a little like
Sharp.
knife, you know.
Yep.
Yeah. It's like a scalp, you know.
Saves you lots more energy for all the other stuff.
Exactly.
This thing is different. Still a little bit different than the mechanical one.
Yep.
You know, like the mechanical, they offset quite a bit. These two, well, it's better than a SRAM. I like this better definitely than a SRAM. I have the axis shifter. This definitely is better. I would wish like to rotate up a little bit, but. You want to try it?
Yeah, large, extra large for you.
Just put the seat down.
Exactly. You've ridden my bike, so
No, I don't think I have.
there he goes, hammering it again. Oh, he's having fun. Go, Eddie, go! Oh, here he comes again. Testing.
You can just keep pressing on this and then
It just
shifting
keeps
all the
going,
way.
right?
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. So that hold down the button and it just changes for you. That's pretty cool. That's kind of what you're looking for. All right, here they come. Our intrepid bike test riders. There you go. Dawn will let us know how she likes her medium.
This one.
Good ride? Do you like the bike?
It's fun to ride on downhills.
It's a heavier bike.
Not much fun on the uphills.
Yeah.
Truth be told, it's hard to climb.
Hard climbing bike
It's heavy.
because of the weight. How's it, John?
Well, on the short downhill parts it was great. Otherwise it was heavy.
Heavy push up.
Oh yeah.
Yep, there you go.
Oh man. I'm through.
That'll kill you.
Oh yeah.
So there you go. You heard it from the two intrepid adventurers. Real fun on the downhills. Hard to push uphill.
It was a
For
good
like-
experience though.
Yeah, it was good. For like a pure tech downhill, this would just rip. Yeah.
Fly.
Yep. Yeah, that's true.
So there you go.
Back to back.
Yeah, now you gotta.
I just rode my bike, so yeah.
Now you're gonna take one of these.
Yeah, now you gotta ride.
Yeah, back, do the same trail. No, this is the new Revolver.
Oh, that would be actually, revolvers are really light one.
Really light, 24.5 pounds. So there you go. That's what happens when you go to a bike demo. Yeah. Anyway, as always, stress less, ride more. Stress less, ride more, ride smart. Ride safe. From the Marin Enduro site on Saturday before. Hope you guys have fun tomorrow. Take care. Oh, now you want to ride it. But I tell you,
Yeah, it's a little different. Eh?
Pauline wishes that she had gone. Ready to go for a ride? Going for a ride? Go for a ride.
All right,
There you go. Go back and do it again.